No more secrets.
Here I am, making the Here I am, making the
more squeezing.
You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Did drain the pulp and then put it in a pitcher. I hope you enjoy this video.
Cayenne pepper. About a
Making elixir.
About tablespoon. Raw honey.
This is the oranges that we did just a few minutes ago. ginger and what was that red powder again? Cayenne and ginger. Double. One is spicy. It's good for detoxing, huh?
Anti-inflammatory.
And yeah,
Good for everything.
good for if you have arthritis. Do this every couple days, right? If you have arthritis,
Every morning.
if you have inflammation.
You're done.
Thank you for watching.
Go up to maybe
There it
January
is.
because again, I've been calling every 2 weeks.
For 3
When we
days.
passed that request, they've been telling me, the last call that I made, they told me to call back.
Nice.
for the mirroring
Good
process.
for
So
breakfast.
I'm not sure if
And then
that's
the
still an
rest,
active
we're gonna
request,
put
but that's
ginger
way outdated from November.
To make elixir.
If you don't mind giving
rest
me
of
more
it.
updated information.
Thank you for watching.